गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. आज आपण ऑर्डिनरी डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशनच्या लेक्चर 35 वर आहोत. याच्यामध्ये आर्टिकल 53 काय आहे? द सिम्बॉल डी. द इक्वेशन dny divided by dx raised to n plus p1 dn minus 1y divided by dx raised to n minus 1 plus p2 dn minus 2y divided by dx raised to n minus 2 plus dot 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 plus pn y which is equal to 0. याला आपण इक्वेशन नंबर 1 म्हणालो. Where the coefficients p1, p2 up to pn are constants will first be treated. On the substitution of e to the power mx for y, the first member of this equation becomes, this equation means equation number 1, and first member means left hand side of the equation number 1. In bracket m raised to n plus p1 m raised to n minus 1 plus p2 m raised to n minus 2 plus dot 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 plus pn bracket complete outside the bracket e to the power mx. जे की आपण लास्ट 2-3 आर्टिकल पासून हे इक्वेशन पर्यंत येत आहे. आणि and this will be equal to 0 if m raised to n plus p1 m raised to n minus 1 plus p2 m raised to n minus 2 plus dot 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 plus pn minus 1 into m plus pn which is equal to 0. आणि याला म्हणतात ऑक्झिलरी इक्वेशन ऑफ द इक्वेशन 1. By using the symbol d for the differential operator d by dx, then equation 1 can be written as d raised to n plus p1 d raised to n minus 1 plus p2 d raised to n minus 2 plus dot 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 plus pn minus 1 into d plus pn bracket complete outside the bracket y which is equal to 0, because y taken out common and write down in one bracket dn upon dx raised to n plus p1 dn minus 1 upon dx raised to n minus 1 plus p2 dn minus 2 upon dx raised to n minus 2 plus dot 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 plus p. आणि d upon dx च्या बदल्यात कॅपिटल d ठेवल्यानंतर ही पॉलिनॉमियल ब्रॅकेटेड येईल तुम्हाला. और f of d into y is equal to 0. याला इक्वेशन नंबर 4 म्हणू आपण. वेअर f of d म्हणजे पॉलिनॉमियल इन डी काय असेल ती d रेस टू n प्लस p1 d रेस टू n मायनस 1 प्लस p2 d रेस टू n मायनस 2 प्लस डॉट 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 प्लस pn मायनस 1 इंटू d प्लस pn. द सिम्बॉलिक कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ y in equation 3 is the same function of d that the first member of equation 2 is of m. इक्वेशन 2 मध्ये m मध्ये पॉलिनॉमियल दिलेली आहे, वेअर ॲज इक्वेशन 3 मध्ये d मध्ये पॉलिनॉमियल दिलेली आहे. Therefore, the roots of the latter equation being m1, m2 up to mn, जर त्याचे रूट्स m रूट्स m1 to mn असे पडतील तर इक्वेशन 3 मे बी रिटन ॲज, त्याचे फॅक्टर काय असतील मग d मायनस m1 d मायनस m2 अप टू d मायनस mn असे n फॅक्टर्स असतील. आणि ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर y विच इज इक्वल टू 0. याला आपण इक्वेशन नंबर 5 म्हणू. हेन्स द इंटेग्रल ऑफ 3 can be found by putting its symbolic coefficient equal to 0 and solving for d. मग d मध्ये काय पॉलिनॉमियल आहे? that is d raised to n plus p1 d raised to n minus 1 plus p2 d raised to n minus 2 plus dot 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 plus p ला suffix n minus 1 into d plus pn which is equal to 0. यालाच आपल्याला or f of d is equal to 0 लिहिता येईल, where f of d is nothing but this polynomial which is in polynomial in d. याला आपण which is called the auxiliary equation सुद्धा म्हणू शकतो, जे की आतापर्यंत आपण m मध्ये बघितलं, इथं आपण d मध्ये बघत आहे. It should be carefully noted that in the auxiliary equation f of d is equal to 0, d is an algebraic symbol. आता आपण एक एक फॅक्टर घेऊन जर सोडवायचं ठरवलं, d minus m1 y is equal to 0, तर काय होईल ते बघू. The general solution of d minus m1 ब्रॅकेटच्या बाहेर y is equal to 0, but we know that d means d upon dx, so that it means dy by dx minus m1y is equal to 0. That is this, dy by dx minus m1y is equal to 0. याचं सोल्युशन y is equal to c1 e to the power m1x. याचं ऑक्झिलरी इक्वेशन काय येईल, कॅपिटल m minus m1 is equal to 0, कॅपिटल m is equal to m1 is equal to m1च, आणि म्हणून y is equal to c1 e to the power m1x. Similarly, the general solution of t minus m2 in bracketच्या बाहेर y which is equal to 0, comma dot 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 comma in bracket d minus m ला suffix n in bracketच्या बाहेर y which is equal to 0 r y is equal to c2 e to the power m2x, comma dot 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 comma y is equal to cn e to the power mnx. Hence the solution of in bracket d minus m1 d minus m2 up to d minus mn bracket complete bracketच्या बाहेर y which is 0 is y is equal to c1 e to the power m1x plus c2 e to the power m2x plus dot 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 plus cn e to the power mnx. तर हे ॲक्च्युली डिफरंट रूट्स असल्यानंतर जो फॉर्म्युला आपण याच्या आधी ऑलरेडी डिराईव्ह केला होता, सेम इथं सुद्धा मिळालेला आहे. म्हणजे m1 टू m ला सफिक्स n असे n डिफरंट रूट जर असेल तर हा सेम रिझल्ट येईल. नेक्स्ट आर्टिकल 54, थेरम कन्सर्निंग D. One of the theorems relating to capital D is that when the coefficient of y in bracket d raised to n plus p1 d raised to n minus 1 plus dot 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 plus pn bracket complete outside the bracket y which is equal to 0 is factored as if d were an ordinary algebraic quantity. Then the original differential is obtained when d is given its operative character, no matter in what order the factors are taken. म्हणजे हे जे फॅक्टर्स आहेत d minus m1 d minus m2 up to d minus mn, याचे जर आपण तसे फॅक्टर पाडले आणि त्याची जर ऑर्डर इकडे तिकडे झाली तर ते काही उत्तरावर परिणाम करणार नाही. Thus, an equation of the second order d2y by dx square minus in bracket alpha plus beta into dy by dx plus alpha beta into y which is equal to 0. When expressed in symbolic form is d square minus in bracket alpha plus beta outside the bracket d plus alpha beta bracket complete outside the bracket y, which is equal to 0. This on factoring becomes d minus alpha d minus beta into y, which is equal to 0. Replacing d by dx, the latter equation becomes, instead of d, replace d by dx, hence d by dx minus alpha in one bracket, d by dx minus beta in another bracket, into y, which is equal to 0. Operating on y with d by dx minus beta, this becomes first factor as usual, d by dx minus alpha. This y operate on this factor dy by dx minus beta y, which is equal to 0. And operating on the second factor with the first, means this second factor operate on first. So d2y by dx square minus beta dy by dx minus alpha dy by dx and plus alpha beta y, which is equal to 0. So middle two terms taken out common dy by dx, and hence d2y by dx square minus in bracket alpha plus beta dy by dx plus alpha beta y, which is equal to 0. If the factors had been written in the reverse order, instead of d minus alpha d minus beta, if you write d minus beta d minus alpha into y, which is equal to 0, then also the result will be same and expanded as above. जसं याच्या आधी आपण मल्टिप्लाय केलं होतं, एक्सपांड केलं होतं, तसंच रिव्हर्स ऑर्डर फॅक्टर लिहिल्यानंतर सुद्धा आपल्याला एक्सपांड करायचं आहे. द सेम रिझल्ट वुड हॅव बीन ऑप्टेड. It is easily shown that the theorem holds for an equation of third and only higher order. It will be noted that the symbolic factors, when used as an operators, are taken in order from right to left. Thank you.